Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a bass called Rolling Metal, and it sounds like this. In context now, so with a bit of sidechain here. If you want to get this preset, you can get it over here in the description below in the Serum 2 Melodic Progressive Pack that it's available at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with the sound design and let's get started with this tutorial. We're going to initialize the sound and we're going to deactivate the shift box. This is how it sounds, which is nothing like the sound that we want. We're going to first get into a 1/16 ARP. And it sounds a bit horrible because we have to make a pluck into the sound. So let's do this right away. Sustain all the way down and decay a lot down as well. Now let's go into our oscillator. We're gonna go use a default shape saw wave, and we're gonna put the octave down. Phase to 0. We're going to activate the noise as well. We're going to go into analog and we're going to select SH1. Noise to 0 as well. Now envelope 2, we're going to go and select sustain all the way down and decay a bit down as well. And this is what's actually going to trigger the noise, but a lot less. Something like this. Perfect. Now filter MG low 18 A, and we're going to put the cutoff almost everything down. Just A, we're just listening to the noise at the moment. Not going to do anything to drive, fat, or resonance. So now envelope 3, we're going to go and attach this to the cutoff. Somewhere over here. Sustain all the way down to make it pluck. And decay a bit down. Somewhere like this. Awesome. Now filter number 2, because we also need to filter the noise. So filter number 2, we're going to filter the noise there. Now cut off a bit down. We barely listen to anything because envelope 2 is modulating this. A bit less here though. And everything as it is. Now in filter 1, bus 1 a little bit, and bus 2 a lot. What are we doing with these two buses? Let's start with bus number 1. So bus number 1, distortion, and we're using overdrive with 1 stack. A low pass post, a little bit less, and a lot down over here. So essentially filtering this sound, now boosting the drive, maybe less, and all the way wet. Now EQ, because we just want a little bit of this. So low cut and high cut for both of them. We're going to pick the Q of this one a little bit down and the Q of this one a little bit down as well. Something like this, yeah. A bit less and a bit more. Yeah, but what is this doing? So if you listen, it gives more of that kind of feeling to the sound. Awesome. Now let's go to bus number 2. Bus number 2, we're going to activate a chorus. We're going to put the depth a bit down. This is the depth of this chorus, essentially. And now wet all the way up, just so we can listen to it. Can you see how it makes it stereo? Let's go back. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to make a mono bass with utility, but just in the really low end. Something like this, because we don't want everything to be stereo. And we also want to cut a bit of what's left over there. 124. And we can leave it like this. Just make it like this. Now, main. And we're going to select an utility here, a mono bass. That's it. And lastly, just a compressor. Why? In case it starts compressing, in case it's too loud. Also just giving a little bit of boost here. You can see that even this is barely compressing. So no need to worry over here with this compressor. And that's pretty much it. If you want to listen to this in context with sidechain. If you want more stereo, you can just go to bus number 2. Raise it a bit. Feel that this is a nice character to it. And that's pretty much it. If you see it again, the MIDI is just one note. And that's cool because you can just play one note and get a rolling bass out of it. But if you go to the original preset, you can see that you have a lot more stuff to play with. You can have macros and also the mod wheel. For example, and a lot of stuff to play around with. I hope that you liked it today, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This is Lilo Reddy from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao!